Hello children, how are you? I hope all are fine at home. Today we are going to learn the first lesson from the third unit of our textbook. In the second unit, the second lesson is the little tree is deleted from your current year syllabus. That's why we are going to take the third unit. And there is a small poem, Run, written by Mary Todd. So Mary Todd is a great poet and it's lovely, and she is fond of writing poems related to children. She always liked to write the poem related to children. Here is also the Run is a poem indicates the character, specialities and the likes of all the children. I'll ask the question, which is your favorite exercise? Running, jumping, hopping, skipping. And for the physical exercise, obviously all children like to run, isn't it? When a dog, suppose when a dog is running through the street, the small children, they used to run behind them or run with them, isn't it? And then the pig will also play with us. So running is a good exercise. Now in this poem, The Run, the poet Mary Todd wished to see the children the importance of running for our pleasure, for our mind's relaxation. And in the poem, she used to see that the children, you run from the countryside to the village, because the countryside or the city or the town is so crowded, it is so polluted, it is so noisy. So you just give up the portion of this countryside, that means the town, the city. You just leave it and run to the village. In village, there are so many sceneries and good breeze is flows through it, and good greenish leaves and trees are all over there. You will get a good air to breathe in, isn't it? So the poet Mary Todd says the children run from the countryside to the village. Now look at the textbook. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Away from the city, city വിട്ട് പൊക്കോളൂ, and into the sun. നല്ല സൂര്യപ്രകാശം, നല്ല എയറും നല്ല വെള്ളമൊക്കെ കിട്ടുന്ന എങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് പോകാൻ? Run. Out to the country, run, run. Country is outside, that means it is a village portion. It is a village portion where there is plenty of good water is there. We will get good air to breathe in, like that. And run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run in the raindrops. You just go to the village and you play with the rain, and then sometimes the rainwater will fall into your head, no problem. Enjoy with the rain. And raindrops mean drops of rain, മഴത്തുള്ളികൾ. And run neath the trees. Neath, N-E-A-T-H. Neath means beneath. N-E-A-T-H, neath means, it is a short form of beneath. Beneath means under the tree. And there you will get the shadow. Run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Races, R-A-C-E, race. R-A-C-E, race means മത്സരം, ഓട്ട മത്സരം അല്ലേ? റണ്ണിങ് റേസിൽ നമ്മൾ പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്റ് ചെയ്യില്ലേ? സോ റൺ ലിറ്റിൽ റേസസ് വിത്ത് ഈച്ച് ലിറ്റിൽ ബ്രീസ്. ആരോടൊപ്പം ഓടി മത്സരിക്കാനാണ് പറയുന്നത് ഈ പോയിന്റ് ഇവിടെ? യെസ്, വിത്ത് ലിറ്റിൽ ബ്രീസ്. ബ്രീസ് മീൻസ് ജെന്റിൽ വിൻഡ്, പെട്ടെന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ വീശിയടിക്കുന്ന തണുത്ത കാറ്റ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ബ്രീസ്. B-R-E-E-Z-E. ബ്രീസ് മീൻസ് ജെന്റിൽ വിൻഡ്, പെട്ടെന്ന് വീശിയടിക്കുന്ന തണുത്ത കാറ്റ്. സോ the poet here advises the children, leave the town, leave the city and go into the village and enjoy every moment of the village over there. You can play with the pets, you can play with all animals or everything there. You can enjoy the beautiful or the sceneries of the village there, and you can enjoy the raindrops. Now play with, otherwise race with the gentle breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, They run back again. Run down the hillside. Hillside means നമ്മളുടെ കുന്നിൻ്റെ ചെരുവുകൾ. താഴേക്ക് ഓടിയിറങ്ങുക, മുകളിലേക്ക് കയറുക, എവിടെയൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് ഇഷ്ടാനുസരണം. Nobody is there to ban it there. നമ്മുടെ നിഷേധിക്കേണ്ട ആരുമില്ല. We can enjoy everything there. But in the city, what will happen? Yes, there is no shadow there. There is no trees, crowd of trees are there. Nothing is there to enjoy over there. Even we won't get the raindrops also there. അല്ലേ, നമുക്ക് മഴത്തുള്ളികൾ പോലും നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന അറിയില്ല. ബിക്കോസ് ദ ഹൗസസ് ആർ ക്ലോസ് ടു ഈച്ച് അതർ. ഒരു അടുത്തടുത്താണ് വീടുകൾ. ആൻഡ് വി ഹാവ് നോ വരാന്താസ്, വി ഹാവ് നോ കോർട്ട്യാർഡ്സ് ഓവർ ദെയർ. സോ എൻജോയ് every drops of rain, every breeze of the wind, and you just go to village. Run through the meadow, then run back again. Meadow, M-E-A-D-O-W. M-E-A-D-O-W. Meadow means where there is a green grass and wild flowers over there. നല്ല കാട്ടുപൂക്കളും പച്ച പരവതാനി പോലെ വിരിച്ച നല്ല പച്ച പുല്ലുമൊക്കെ നിറഞ്ഞ പ്രദേശങ്ങൾ, ചില താഴ്വരകളൊക്കെ കാണില്ലേ, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ദ മെഡോ. MEADOW, meadow. Then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away. And after enjoying these, you can turn back again. So when we once goes to the village, you won't be able to come back to the city because it is very fantastic, it is very attractive, and it will give more merriness. Merriness means what? Merry means happily. So merry, MERRY, merry means happy. It will give more merry for us. So run and be merry all through the day. ആ ദിവസം മുഴുവൻ നല്ല ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഇരിക്കും. റൺ ടു ദ കൺട്രി, അവേ. വീണ്ടും again and again the poet advises us to marry down. The poetess advises us to run away from the countryside and live in, otherwise enjoy the beauty of every nature beauty of the village. And this is a small poem. Some more new words are given in the last portion of the page. Raindrops, neath, actually it is a poetic word. It is the full form of beneath. Beneath means under. Breeze means small gentle wind. പെട്ടെന്ന് വീശടിക്കുന്ന തണുത്ത കാറ്റ്, that is breeze. Hillside, meadow, merry. So all these words write in your notebook 5 times and write the meanings also. Read the poem thoroughly and take the signature of the parent. So we can meet in the next class with a new lesson. Take care till then. Bye bye.